this is the example we are taking for POS form with don't care combinations. Okay, ma? For POS forms, here pi will be there. Okay, pi m of 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 30 plus D for don't care. Okay, 2, 3, 11, 15, 17, 24, 28. Okay, how to do this problem? That means here we are reducing this expression by using K-map. Okay, by observing this, we know 5 variables are used here. What is the maximum number? Here 30 is the maximum number. So by using this only, we understand this belongs to 5 variable K-map. Okay, first to draw the 5 variable K-map, general K-map. Okay, ma? So this is belongs to POS. Okay, this is belongs to POS means, so in all these cells, what we placed, 0 is placed. Okay, ma? 0 is placed. So 0, place 0. Okay, 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 30. Okay, ma? We are placing zeros in the corresponding cells. Plus don't care. Don't care means, what is the meaning for don't care? Either we are taking 1 or 0. Here POS form. That's why we are considered don't care as 0. Okay. So put the don't cares also in the corresponding cells. 2. 2. Don't care will be represented like this. Okay. 3. 11. 15. 17. 24. 28. Okay, ma? So completed. So we are placing all the zeros and don't cares. Now we are trying to group. Okay. So maximum 32 number of adjacent zeros are there? No, not possible here. So go to 16 number of adjacent zeros. Observe this. Suppose if at 6 number of cell, if 0 is there, okay, then we are this here possibility is there. 16 adjacent zeros possibility is here, but the cell number 6 is empty, so that is not possible. So here not possible. So go to octet, that is 8 number of adjacent zeros possibility. Okay, so now take the, is there any possibility for 8 adjacent zeros? See here, 0, 4, 12, 8, 16, 20, 28, 24. So including don't cares, we are considering. Okay, so this is belongs to octet. Okay, these are adjacent. How we can say these are adjacent? keep this total box onto this. Then 0, 16, 4, 20, 12, 28, 8, 24 overlap. That means adjacency. Okay. So like that. So this is group 1. Okay, ma. Next, is there any octet? See here, 12, 8, 14, 10, 28, 24, 30, 26. Is there octet? Adjacency. So, see, 12, 8, 14, 10, 28, 24, 30, 26. This is also octet. So, this is belongs to group 2. Okay, ma? Next, is there any octet? No. So, now try to quad 4 adjacent zeros. Okay. See this 1, 3, 5, 7. Is this quad? Yes. So this is group 3. Okay, ma? This is group 3. Now, is there any quad? See here. 20, 21, 22, 23. All zeros, adjacent zeros. So this is group 4. Okay. So is there any possibility here? Quad or pair or octet? No. See here. What are the remaining here? At 2, don't care will be there. At 15, don't care will be there. At 11, don't care will be there. At 17, don't care will be there. If only don't cares are remaining, then that will be neglected. Okay, ma? Suppose if 0 is remaining, compulsory that will be considered as in the function. Okay, if don't cares are remaining, then that will be left. That means that will be neglected. Okay, so leave it. So here totally we frame 4 groups. Okay, this is belongs to POS form. That's why what is the function? Reduced function f is equal to C1 C2 C3 C4. Okay, ma? So the 4 groups. This is belongs to product of sums. That's why we are taking the function like this. Okay. Now take Z1 and write the expression for Z1. Z1 means what is this? 0, 4, 12, 8, 16, 20, 28, 24. See here, this group 1 belongs to A equal to 0 and A equal to 1. So what about A value? Here, the A value is not getting A dot A bar, that is 0. So A variable is not getting. For both we are considered. Okay, ma? So A value is not getting for group 1. A variable. Okay. So next try to BC variable here. Try to BC variable. If you observe BC variable, so this group belongs to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. What is the meaning here? So BC belongs to this means this is B plus C. 0, 0 means B plus C. Okay, 0, 1 means B plus C bar. This is product of sum summa. Remember that. Okay, B plus C bar. 1, 1 means B bar plus C bar. Okay, 1, 0 means B bar plus C. Okay, so if you B plus C combination means B plus C into B plus C bar into B bar plus C bar plus B bar plus C. Totally we are getting 1. In that way, remember, or simply if the total column or total row covered, then that will be taking as that variable is not getting here. Okay, ma? That variable is not getting here. Okay, so that becomes 0 here. Okay, ma? So BC is not getting. B variable is not getting and C variable is not getting here in this G1 because the total column, the total column will be covered. Okay, ma? Next, try to DE variables here. Try to DE variables. D here 0, 0. Here also 0, 0, the combination. Okay, ma? So A variable becomes 0 and B variable, C variable becomes 0 here. Okay, so now next that is A variable is not getting, B variable, C variable is not getting. So D only 0, 0, one combination. So D 0 means here one thing you remember, if 0 is the variable value, then that will be taking in uncomplemented form. Okay, uncomplemented form. If 1 is the variable value, then that will be taking in complemented form because this is POS form. Okay, so D is 0, 0. So what is the Z1 value? D is 0. So D plus E also 0. So E. Okay, ma? The first group 1 variable, group 1 expression is D plus E. Do you understand? So group 1 is completed. Next, go to group 2. What is group 2? 12, 8, 14, 10, 28, 24, 30, 26. Okay. If you observe, this group 2 is also belongs to A equal to 0 and A equal to 1. So we are not getting A variable. Okay, ma? Because A dot A bar is 0. Totally A variable is not getting here. So now try to BC variable. What are the combinations here? 1, 1, 1, 0, which is common. Here also 1, 1, 1, 0, which is common. The first one is common. First one belongs to which variable? B variable. B equal to 1 means what is the representation? B bar. Okay, ma? Plus. Next. See about DE variables. Okay. So what are the combinations for DE here? 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Here also 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, ma? Which is common? This 0 is common. Second. So this 0 belongs to E variable. E equal to 0 means what is the representation? E. Okay, B bar plus E. Group 2 is completed. Next, group 3. What is group 3? This is group 3. If you observe, this group 3 is totally belongs to A equal to 0 only. Okay, that's why here we will be getting A variable. So A equal to 0 means the representation is A. Okay, plus. What about BC variables? Combinations are this group totally belongs to 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, ma, which is common here? The first 0. Okay, this first 0 is common. This is belongs to B variable. B equal to 0 means the representation is B. Okay, plus what about D variables? What are this group 3 belongs to 0, 1 combination and 1, 1 combination. Which is common here? 1 is common. So 1 is belongs to which variable? E variable. E equal to 1 means what is the representation? E bar. Okay, ma? So totally group 3 is also completed. Next group 4. Okay. So what is group 4? This is group 4. See here, by observing this group 4 is totally belongs to A equal to 1 only. Okay. A equal to 1 means what is the representation? A bar. So what about BC variables? See here, this group 4 belongs to only one combination, that is 0, 1. So that 0, 1 will be taking. B is 0. So B is 0 means the representation is B. C is 1. So the representation is C bar. What about D variables? This group 4 belongs to all combinations for D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That is D 0, 0 means D plus E. Okay. 0, 1 means D plus E bar. Okay. 1, 1 means D bar plus E bar. 1, 0 means D bar plus E. Totally into చేసినప్పుడు here we are getting 0. So that means D variable, E variable is not getting. One thing you remember. Okay. If the total row or total column is covered for a group, then that variables is not getting in the expression. Okay, ma? For that group only. Okay. Are you understand? That will be remembered. Okay. So this is totally covered all the combinations, group 4. That's why we are not getting any D variable, E variable in this group 4. Okay, ma? Are you understand? So this is the reduced expression for this POS form combined with the don't care conditions. Okay, ma? Are you understand this problem? So in this way, if any don't cares will be given for 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables or 5 variables, the same procedure will followed. Okay, ma? First, we write, we place ones for SOP forms and zeros for POS forms. If don't cares will be there, that also represented in the general K map. And try to group by considering the don't cares also. Okay. After that, the same procedure for grouping. Okay, ma? After grouping, we are getting the reduced expression. Okay. Try to practice this. If you practice, then you will be remember for a long period. Okay, ma?